I'm going to give a demo of the HP Performance Cluster Manager Rack Map tool. You'll see this tool is under the monitoring section of the CMCLI. Find it right here. The first map will show us the power status map. Um, this map will show the power status of all the nodes in your system arranged by their physical location within the racks. Let's go ahead and run it here. Okay, so we can see we have our visualization back, and right away we can see we have a couple nodes that are powered off and a few that are powered on, but they're not booted. You can determine this using the legend printed at the top here with the red slash indicating powered off nodes and the purple circle indicating nodes that are powered on but not booted. So these would be nodes you would want to take a look at and start troubleshooting to figure out why they're not booted. And we also have a summary at the bottom here that'll give us the count of the nodes in each one of these statuses. Next, we're going to look at the node power map. Find our rack map command here again. This time node power. This map provides a basic heat map of the power consumption of nodes in our system. So we can see the legend up here tells us the different power ranges we have, with the red X being the highest consuming nodes and the green O being the lowest consuming. And we can see we have a set of nodes in the X1000 rack that are consuming a large amount of power. These nodes would be ones where you would want to consider power management features there. And on the low end, the ones with the green O, you might want to look into to see why they aren't being utilized. And again, at the bottom, we have a summary detailing how many nodes are in each of these power bands. Next, we're going to look at job placement. In this case, specifically Slurm job placement. Okay. As you can see, this command shows us on which nodes all our jobs are running. And you can see right away the system's running a pretty big job. This green exclamation point up here in the legend assigned to job 614479 is using pretty much all of rack X1000 and X1001. When you look at this map, it can help you determine if you have good job locality, or if your job's kind of spread across the racks. And then in our summary at the bottom, we can see how many nodes are assigned to each job. And next, we're going to take a look at the Slingshot switch status map. Right, as you can see, this map looks a little bit different than the other ones. And as you may know, CRAEX racks have their compute blades oriented vertically, whereas the Slingshot switch blades are oriented horizontally. We can see right away that we have a number of switches with links down, and we can use our legend to tell what types of links are down. So for example, we have a few switches that have global links down, indicated by the red G. And we can also take a look at our summary at the bottom to get the total number of switches in each of these different states. We can use this information to help troubleshoot network problems with our Slingshot switches and attempt to resolve that in order to restore the system to best performance.